Did you get that?
From Valley Center.
Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking.
What's cooking? Good looking?
Well, today I have Professor and Dr. Anna Hernandez here. And Anna is teaching me. Tell me what you're doing.
We are making tostones, and the tostone is a green banana, plantain banana. You cut it into pieces, you first fry it once, and then you mush them down with this tostonera, as such.
It's like a little machine.
And then you come up with these little biscuits, crackers, I don't know.
And then what do you do with them?
And then we refry them over here. You come take a look. So they get kind of crunchy.
Wow.
And then we put salt on top of them.
Yum. That's the one I broke.
It's
That was my
okay.
first
It's
attempt. That bad looking one. And what kind of oil do you fry them in,
It's
Anna?
olive oil.
Okay.
And
And
then,
I notice it doesn't splatter.
no, we just kind of keep it like a medium.
Okay.
Like a medium oil.
Yeah,
You
like
don't
I
want to
don't-
burn them.
I don't notice any
You just want to make them
mess.
crispy.
So you do this, keep your film.
What if you eat that?
Well, what
you
would
tried that?
taste like?
What does it taste like to eat them just that partially fried before you smush them?
No,
Mushy in
very
the middle.
good.
It would still be mushy in the middle? Yeah.
So these are the little ends. Oh, and I want to show you, we're also, Anna, what's the other one that we're making?
They're over here. You want to taste it?
Okay, so those are the sweet ones, right?
Right.
These are the overripe plantains, makes them sweet.
And this is what the plantain peel has to look like.
Is that Chiquita?
It does say Chiquita. All right, so then you, see, look at this.
Isn't a Chiquita a young woman?
Hey,
Yeah,
Philip,
it
I
is.
want them to see
Okay.
the little inside of this little machine here, right?
Yep.
So you put the little wax paper, and then you smush it down. That one was kind of the end. Okay.
Oops.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I would
That was close.
That was
so
close.
Close.
Janet's watching.
Oh, my sister?
Yes.
Oh, hey, Jan. Let me see.
I saw she did some Buckeyes. I saw she posted today.
She did. So in Ohio, there's, well, it's not just Ohio, but it's a peanut butter ball that then you dip in chocolate, and it makes it look like a Buckeye. And I
Hi,
noticed
Janet.
You're sending me like 100 of them, right, Janet? Say yes. She's my sister in Buffalo.
Uh-huh.
So we're making.
She says you're high.
we're
Oh wait,
making-
she's saying hi.
We're
Never
making
mind.
Cuban. Janet, we're making Cuban food that our brother-in-law Robert, who is from the Dominican, is going to be jealous.
She says ours arrived Monday.
Oh, they do?
That's what she said.
Aw. She's making us
Buckeyes.
she's making us Buckeyes. They're chocolate peanut. Oh, you don't like peanut butter,
Uh-oh.
right?
I
Oh, you
do like
you do like peanut butter. Okay. So she said they're beautiful the way that she makes them. And you know how if I made meatballs, mine would start small and then get big. Hers are the perfect size.
Every
If
one
I
of them.
made that
They're
item,
identical.
every one.
I don't know
of
how
them,
she does that.
I would go from this size. I'd be bored out of my mind or impatient, and I would have them this big.
They become golf balls, then softballs.
And they didn't get hit by the tornadoes, huh?
No,
Ohio.
thank God. Yeah.
I know.
So, she's in Buffalo.
Ah.
She's in Hamburg.
You gonna try one of those on
So
camera?
this is. All right, let me taste.
Plantains.
Let me taste. So this is the sweet one, yeah?
Yeah.
It's burning your mouth?
Wow,
Yeah, huh?
man, no, it's amazing. Okay, I could just live on those. I love anything with banana flavor. Don't hang up.
Bye. Janet's saying goodbye.
Oh, bye, Janet.
Bye, Janet.
Say goodbye to our professor. And then what I do is I upload
And the
this-
professor's husband.
So I upload these to YouTube, to our YouTube channel. So we'll have a little, oh gosh, okay. So now you just salt them up.
You just salt them nice and salty.
Wow.
All right.
Those are so much thicker than the ones you get
Now
at
you
Trader
don't,
Joe's.
you don't fry them again.
No,
That's it.
Okay.
that's
No,
it. They're done.
Now they just need to cool.
I'm gonna I'll eat the messy one.
Not very, you don't have to wait very long.
Okay, so here's my messy one that doesn't have a good shape. Wow. OMG. We're not gonna buy them at Trader Joe's anymore.
Yeah.
So good.
Here, you take over. I want to try
Yeah,
one.
try one. I get ready to have one.
I want a little
Well, no, I'm good. I'll wait to dinner.
I know, we're gonna be full.
I know.
Okay.
So this is that little gizmo. And you just do this.
Oh, wow.
Clever.
That's like dessert.
Yeah.
Yes. That with vanilla ice cream. Right?
Hey, you can do that with vanilla ice cream. But
And in
generally,
here-
it's eaten with, the rice
And in here is a chicken
and fricassee.
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 Okay. So, oops. How do I turn this around? Okay, hey, that's what's cooking, and we will catch you later.